Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I miss you guys so much, so I need to tell you guys what's been going on. Like, it's been a lot. So I did my flight attendant recurring training and I passed it. Flying colors, so your girl is good for another year. So this is my third year in the company as a flight attendant. So yeah, I'm like, man, guys, studying for the training, it's a lot. It's stressful. Like, you know the stuff, but because you just anxiety and everything is very stressful. So glad it's over with, it's done. That's it. My next thing is that your homegirl, she found love. Yes, she did on eHarmony. But I'm gonna tell you guys that another day. That's another video. So, and then after that, I end up getting sick. I don't know what happened, but I felt like a pain on my left side of my chest all the way to my back. And I was like doing it for like 3 days. I was in pain for like 3 days, and then the pain started getting worse and worse that I couldn't even, like, when I breathe, it hurts so much. Guys, when I tell you that it hurts so much that I would technically take like short breath, like short breath, how bad it hurt. I couldn't sleep because laying down hurt, sitting up hurt, everything just hurt. Couldn't eat, everything just hurt. Finally, I went to the doctor. The doctor was like, yes, you're not going back to work because we're thinking that you may have a blood clot in your lungs. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's one of the risks when you're a flight attendant that you might get, you might have blood clot in your lungs. So, ruling it out. So I had to go on short-term disability. Yes, I was on short-term disability. Thank goodness everything went by super fast. I know people who try to apply for short-term disability and it was just a hassle. Mine was like super fast. I went to the doctor the same day. Then she referred me to a cardiologist. The cardiologist set up me an appointment the same exact day, and I ended up getting like heart monitor, a 24-hour heart monitor on my body. The stickers were everywhere, and I was like, I look like somebody that's literally hooked up to like a physical like heavy duty machine. But what they did, they just put some I don't know what they call them, but they put them here on the chest. Then they put like two on each side on my side, and then I have to wear it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, then I have to return the machine. So got the results of that, and it wasn't looking good because of, again, pain and everything else. The doctor had told me to do a CTA scan. CTA scan took a while. What I should have did, I should have just went to the hospital, let them do the CTA scan, and I got the results right away. That's what I should have did. But me was like, it's nothing really, but whatever it is, I was hoping for the best. So the CTA scan, that's the one that actually took a while because it was very difficult for me to get an appointment, like right away appointment. So I had to wait literally like 2 weeks to get the appointment, and then I had to do an echo from my cardiologist. So that, schedule and stuff like that. And because I was doing all these scan and stuff, they kind of like separate them for a few days. I don't know, maybe a radiation or something. I don't know, but they separated them for a few days. Plus, also appointments was a little difficult. Finally, I got that done, and then I had to go back to my doctor to return to work. I had to go back to my physical doctor so she can fill out a return to work form. After everything was completed, then everything will be transferred. So they have to give me, so the cardiologist have to give me like the clearance, and then they transfer all that information over to my physical doctor, and the physical doctor have to now fill out the form for me to go back to work. So I was on short-term disability for a good minute, guys. But homegirl, like, I literally was like at home, like looking at the scene, like in pain. She gave me some pills, and I'm not a pill person at all. But when I tell you, when that pain hit, I pop in those pills real quick. Even with the pills, it hurt a lot, but it knocked me out. Like, literally knocked me out. Because when she was giving me pills, I was like, look, I have my cysts, my ovarian cysts, they burst all the time. I'm used to, I'm very good with pain. But this one right here, yeah, just give me the pills. Just give me the pills. Yeah, just give me the pills. Like, literally, like, I'm not a type of person that go to the doctor. I'm always about, you know what, I'm just gonna take some natural stuff, and after a few days let the body heal and let it go away. Yeah, no. I went up in there like, yeah, doctor, something is wrong. We need to do something about it. But so when she, told me about blood clot and stuff like that, I was like, man, like, it dawned on me like, when you sign up to become a flight attendant, there's no such thing as a as fine print that they tell you, oh yeah, you might have blood clot, you might have get radiation, can get cancer from this or that, or your body may go through some changes because you're flying a lot, or what the situation is, or whatever. Be pulling your suitcase all the time and assisting passengers with bags and stuff like that can cause your back to in like in very very bad condition, start having back pain. Well, yeah, that is true, guys. Let me tell you. Okay, so I never had any back issues, never ever have any back issues until I started this job. 6 months in, 6 months in, I start having back problem. Like literally 6 months in, I start having back problem, and now I understand why airlines always say that no, you don't lift bags, don't lift passengers bags, you don't lift passengers bag because the wear and tear on your body, baby, it's me. I started having scoliosis because of that foolishness. Literally, like almost every flight attendant has scoliosis because of that. Because not just with passengers bag, not just assisting passengers with their bag, but just, and a lot of airlines don't even allow you to assist passengers with bags anymore, but we just our own bag, because we fly attendant, we travel with everything, we travel with the whole house, and because we travel with the whole house, our bags are heavy, and we have to travel with the whole house because you don't know what type of weather you're going to go into, so you have to pack for summer, winter, rainy day, and you don't know if you're going to get stuck at the airport for hours or anything like that, so you have to pack for little things that you'll need. You have to pack your lunch, because if not, buying lunch in the airport is going to be expensive. That holiday paycheck right there. So you gotta pack your lunch, you gotta pack your stuff in your suitcase, and then you have to bring the company stuff in another bag, and then you have to bring your either your tablet or your laptop in a bag. And all that suckers are heavy as heck. At the end of the day, they're heavy. So the pulling your suitcase all the time, on this side or that side, whatever it is. Sometimes you get these, I think they call callus, I'm not sure, but they get right here, get super super hard and rough. You get like that because of you pulling the bag, and then your shoulder sometimes can get out of place because of you pulling your suitcase and stuff. So yes, you can get a lot of wear and tear on your body with just pulling your own bags. So now I was like literally, sometimes I just tell passengers, I'm like, baby, my back is killing me right now, so there is no way I'm able to help you with your bags at all. Actually, we don't even lift bags, assist, but there's no way I am going to able to assist you with your bags, because my back is already hurting. And if I assist with her bag and then something happened, that lift caused my back to go even get worse, my company does not pay for it. No company pay for it. They don't pay for it, because they would ask you, what the heck were you doing? Oh yeah, you were lifting passengers bag. Well, totally in your policy says that, you must lift passengers bag. So yeah, I mean, the most times I probably assist with bags is if like a passenger is old, elderly, or a passenger is too short for the overhead bin, I'll assist them with their bag. But a regular strong person, I'm like, honey, you're gonna have to ask one of these dudes to help you with your bag, especially if my back is hurting. Yeah, I don't mess with that, because I already know the company ain't paying for it. I'm not getting any workman's comp. So yeah, even though it's on the job, situations are a little different in the flight attendant industry, which is crazy. So yes, your body gonna go through a lot of wear and tear for just you bringing your suitcase, your lunch, and all that kind of stuff, and wear and tear when in the air, because your body go through a lot of changes with the air, and also different climates and all that kind of stuff, and the stuff that you eat. And you'll get the point. Y'all get the point. So basically, that's why I had been away from YouTube for a while, was because of that. I was going through it, okay? And plus I work a lot of hours. I literally, sometimes I work 110, 120, 130 hours a month. So even though I work 100 something hours a month, I get like probably 10 to 12 days off within that month. It's very decent, but it's just the wear and tear on your body. It's not like a 9 to 5 job. It's more intense than a 9 to 5 job because of the altitude of the aircraft and all that extra stuff. And then the air in that plane ain't clean air, because sometimes when you see the sun shining through, you can see the dust particles in the air. You'll be like, that's what I'm inhaling right now. It's not even clean air. So all that stuff in our body toxic stuff in our body. That's why a lot of fighters always be on some diet. We be on every diet, okay? We trying to eat healthy, and we drink a lot of water, and we have to always going through some sort of detox because we have to detox all those chemicals. But now y'all understand why I was away from YouTube, because of all those situations, okay? All those situations, that's why I was away from YouTube. Y'all get it. But I am back now. I am back. I'm back. I'm back. And I'm so, so excited. So happy I have all that energy, that time off from work. Yeah. And then, it's so funny, with my short-term disability, it was so difficult just to get paid. And I'm like, I had to fight just to get paid. But whatever. That's another story for another time. It is what it is. They have to call everybody and mama just to make sure that the paycheck come through. You know what I'm saying? Short term. I kind of understand when disability people be like, where the disability check at? I be understanding. Yeah. So I have a lot of energy now. I haven't started back working out at the gym because I'm not trying to do all that stuff to my body yet. So I'm kind of like slowly moving myself into the gym. I do my little steps and stuff like that, regular walking and stuff like that. But I'm slowly kind of like lifting, not heavy stuff, but like weights, just a little bit of things in the house I've been lifting. So I don't want to go intense in the gym because I don't want to hand up back on disability, short-term disability. I ain't got time for that. And yeah, and the short-term disability is like, because I'm a workaholic, it's like me at home, it was literally driving me crazy. And also I was in pain. It was just a hot mess, just a whole total hot mess for me. But anywho, that's the moral of the story. I'm back now, and I miss you guys. I hope you guys miss me because I miss y'all, okay? I do miss y'all. I haven't been doing much with my boutique because of, sorry guys, I was scratching my head. It's itching. So I haven't been doing much with my boutique because of all that that's been going on. It's still running. People are still purchasing, but I haven't been like doing a lot of advertising like that. The way I want it to go because of all that stuff. And plus, even if a lot of purchases happen, I still want to be physically fit to go ship items out and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and then my mama, she got up and she left me, honey. She left me. She went to Jamaica. She gone, honey, like literally gone. She was like, I'm moving out. I was like, what? No, but this actually was before I got sick. But I'm gonna say my future husband, he was there for me. Like, he was there for me. He thought I was dying, y'all. He literally thought I was dying. I thought I was dying too, but he was there. I was like, thank you, eHarmony. Thank you. Thank you so much. But that is it for today's video, guys. Just want to give you my return to YouTube introduction for being gone for so long. I just explained to you guys why I was gone for so long. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely click that notification button because I have many more videos to come. Yes, I do. Especially, I'm pretty sure y'all gonna be nosy, want to know about, how I found him on eHarmony and this and that and what's not and stuff like that. But I will share with you guys. I mean, I'm gonna share you like the full. I will share with you guys what how you can find love too. So definitely subscribe if you are new to my channel and follow me on Instagram, guys. When I start posting my stuff, because summer is coming, I'm gonna start posting a lot of exciting outfits and stuff like that. So definitely subscribe to my Instagram channel. That is Yes Honey Boutique. Yes, also I'm on Facebook, same thing. Yes Honey Babe, I believe. Yes Honey Babe, or put that thing in the description box. Yes, and I will see you all next time. Bye.